Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 of our Bogleheads Guide to Investing series, and today we're diving deep into the Boglehead mindset, the psychology, discipline, and lifelong habits that separate average investors from the truly wealthy. If you've watched the first 3 episodes, you've already learned the foundation of Boglehead investing, the key principles of simplicity and discipline, how to build a long-term portfolio, the costly mistakes to avoid. But here's the truth. Wealth is not just built with knowledge. It's built with behavior. Today, I'll show you how to think like a Boglehead, act like one, and ultimately stay on the path to financial independence. No matter what the market throws at you. Let's get started. Brain. Section 1. Long-term thinking over short-term emotions. The average investor is constantly reacting. They panic when the market crashes. They get greedy when stocks soar. They switch strategies every 6 months, chasing returns. Bogleheads do the opposite. They understand that investing is a decades-long journey, not a day trade. They don't check their portfolio every day. They don't get emotional. They don't follow hype or headlines. Instead, they embrace market volatility. Because they know that in the long run, the market always rewards patience. Stay the course. John Bogle. Scroll. Section 2. The Investment Policy Statement, IPS. One thing that sets Bogleheads apart is their written plan. It's called an Investment Policy Statement. This document answers questions like, what are your goals? What is your target asset allocation? When will you rebalance? Under what conditions will you make changes? Having this in writing is powerful. When markets crash or your emotions take over, your IPS acts like a compass. It brings you back to your plan and keeps you from making costly mistakes. If you don't have one yet, make one after this video. Moneybag. Section 3. Living below your means. You can't invest what you don't save. Bogleheads are frugal, but not cheap. They value freedom over luxury. They prioritize saving over spending. They understand that every dollar spent today is future time sacrificed. They often drive reliable used cars, avoid lifestyle inflation, max out retirement accounts, use low-cost index funds. Remember, wealth is what you don't see. It's the money you quietly save, invest, and let grow. Bar chart. Section 4. Embracing simplicity, not complexity. Wall Street wants you to think you need complex strategies, fancy tools, and expensive advisors. The Boglehead mindset rejects that. They believe that a simple 3-fund portfolio, U.S. Total Stock Market Index, International Total Stock Market Index, Total Bond Market Index, can outperform 90% of active investors, and with far less risk. They don't try to beat the market. They buy the market and let it do the heavy lifting. Chart increasing. Section 5. Automate and ignore the noise. Once your plan is in place, the smartest thing you can do is automate your contributions. Rebalance once a year. Ignore financial media. That's it. No daily news. No Reddit forums. No stock tips. Just quiet compounding, month after month, year after year. Set it, forget it, and let it grow. Person in lotus position. Section 6. The Boglehead community and lifelong learning. Bogleheads don't go it alone. They're part of a supportive, rational, data-driven community. Online forums like Bogleheads.org are filled with real people helping each other stay on track, especially during volatile times. And they keep learning, not from TikTok or flashy YouTube traders, but from timeless books, academic research, and real-life experience. They know that investing isn't a game. It's a lifelong discipline. Direct hit. Final thoughts. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to predict the market. You just need a simple plan and the discipline to follow it. That's the Boglehead way. So whether you're 18 or 48, just starting or halfway there, it's never too late to adopt the mindset that builds real wealth. Backhand index pointing right. If you found this 4-part series helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more book breakdowns and real-world investing wisdom. Books rewatch the full series anytime to reinforce these lessons. Pushpin, and don't forget to check out the Bogleheads Guide to Investing, the book that inspired this series. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay the course. Ignore the noise. Keep investing.